Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Prebell with William O'Neill India. My name is Rajashekar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst. Before we go ahead into this podcast, the disclaimer is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM. No way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Every day we start with the Nifty's chart to analyze the current market position and with respect to its key moving averages. And then we move on to market status according to O'Neill's lens as well. As you can see here, Nifty bottomed out for the near term around 18,800 level. From there, there has been some good upward rally, but the only concern is volumes are lacking during this upward rally. In the recent last week, there was two occasions where Nifty advanced higher on good amount of volume, and that is the reason we have flipped the buy switch and we have started adding stocks to model portfolio. Currently, Nifty is trading above its key moving averages. Only concern is it is slightly off highs around 2%, 3%, somewhere around there. But if you look at the broader market indices, Nifty mid cap and small cap indices, they are trading at new all-time highs. Some of the sectoral indices are also doing very good. That is the reason considering all these factors into matter consideration, we have started adding stocks to portfolio. Coming to market status, we are still in rally attempt. We have been waiting for a FTD session, that is a follow through day session on the Nifty index to change the market status to confirm the uptrend. But even though we are in rally attempt, we have looking out for stocks which are very strong in fundamental and also giving good strong breakouts to add them to portfolio. Nifty holding these key levels, that is 50 and 100 AMS, is very crucial. If these levels are breached, we can expect some kind of bearishness in the market. But as long as Nifty stays above these levels, we can be start adding stocks to portfolio, and I can start investing with a pyramiding approach. Some of the stocks which are in news and which will be under radar during the today's trading session are: one is HDFC Life and Karnataka Bank have entered into a strategic partnership to give or to offer life insurance products to its banking customers by the HDFC Life. So all the users of Karnataka Bank can avail services from the HDFC Life and other services which the company provides. And next is ABB India and Titagarh rail systems have also come to a strategic partnership to supply propulsion systems for metro rolling projects in India. So according to this agreement, the Titagarh rail systems have to purchase propulsion systems from the ABB India. This includes traction converters, auxiliary converters, traction motors, and TCMS software as well. Popular Realty has come up with a new luxurious project in Thane. The project is named Forest Villa, and this is spread across 18 acres in the Thane city. And this project will consist of 5 residential projects. And currently, the company has in the first phase of development, they are coming up with 3 towers, and followed by in the next phase, they'll come up with 2 additional towers as well. Vascan Engineering have received a letter of intent regarding a project from the Municipal Corporation of Pimpri and Chinchwad for a consideration amount of 360 crores. This project is related to a construction of a general hospital building for the municipality corporation in Pune, Maharashtra. Coming to institutional activities, yesterday, foreign institutional investors were net sellers. They have sold almost 350 crores, 650 crores of equities in the Indian market. Domestic institutional investors try to give support, but the magnitude of their buying is not higher or on equal terms to the FIIs. They bought only 80 crores of Indian equities. For the global cues on the US market, there are positive cues. Overnight, US market closed on the positive territory. Dow Jones, S&P closing 0.6 to 0.7% higher, whereas Nasdaq Composite closed more than 1% higher. Asia markets, Nikkei is trading in the negative territory, whereas Kospi and Shanghai are trading in the positive territory as we speak. If you're looking for cues from the Nifty index, again, there are some positive, or we can say muted to opening. Nifty closed at 19,700 in the yesterday's session. So 100-point higher opening is expected according to the GIFT Nifty index. If that happens and if the Nifty sustains that opening buying, and if the follow buying happens during the session, it is going to be a good session for the investors. And we might see a couple of stocks added to portfolio as well if that happens. NCC, which is related to construction and management of related activities in the country. The stock is doing very good, except for EPS of 50, but the technical ratings are very good. It has broken out yesterday. We tried to add it to portfolio, but it was in the last hour of the session, so we didn't add it to portfolio. But if that opening, the similar action happens in the today's session, we'll definitely consider for adding. So please be watchful, and you can see a couple of parameters, especially technical parameters and institutional funds have been looking very good. Base formation is also very good. You can see volume drying up in the base formation and a couple of blue towers, above average towers, indicating good accumulation happening. A/D rating is also very good at A minus. So on most of the parameters, it is looking good. So if you are looking for fresh positions, you can consider stocks like these for adding to your portfolio. Thanks for joining today's people. Have a good trading session.